Hello everyone, this is Ayesha Siddiqua, and in today's video we're going to be learning about natural selection. So without further ado, let's move on to our topic. What is natural selection? The process through which populations of living organisms adapt and change. In short, it basically means survival of the fittest. It means that the organism with the characteristics best adapted to the environment will live and reproduce. This process includes some steps. There are 3 steps. Number 1, each individual inherits genetic variation from parents. Number 2, the individual with characteristics best adapted to the environment survive. And last, number 3, successful individuals survive a long time. Now keep this thing in mind that this process repeats diverse times. Now we have adaptation and variation. If you have seen my previous video about variation, then you might know what variation is. In that video, I discussed about variation in detail. But if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description. The link is in the description down below. You can go and check it out. Anyways, what is variation? I'm discussing over here right now. Variations are the differences between individuals of the same species. The result may be from genetic variation or environmental variation. Adaptations, characteristics that allow an organism to survive. Now, you see these 2 images? Good. In one image, they're showing you natural selection or adaptation. And in the other, they show you variation. First, look at this picture. Here, this is an ancestor finch. And due to natural selection, it turns into, there are 3 variations in it. The first one, beak changes, and now it helps it to eat insects. The second one has a beak like a woodpecker type beak for insect eating. And the last one has a beak which helps it to eat seed. Now here in this image, you can see variations. There are 3 species A, B, and C. Variations can occur both within and between species. So in species 1, species A, you can see there are variations within species. Like 2 has same color, 1 has a little darker color. Anyways, in species B and C, you can see variation between species. They both are quite different. Anyways, here is a very important point. This is a very important point. Before I explain you it, look at this word. This is actually offspring. This is not off the springs, it's offspring. Anyways, living organisms produce many offsprings. Many of which don't survive. Some offspring have genes that give them useful adaptations that increase their chances of surviving and reproducing successfully. These genes and the variations they produce will become common in the population. Over a long period of time, a new species may develop. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you have understood everything. Bye!